everyone, Mommy Ann and the Wilson Sunday Go. We are back to another unboxing. And this time we have 2 boxes. Let's see what's inside. Are you ready? Alright, this one has been small. Something exciting. I'm gonna give you a clue. It is the 512 gig rose gold iPhone 11 Pro Max. Let's try that again. It is the iPhone 11 Pro Max 512 gig and it's in rose gold. You see that? Guys, we are gonna unbox first the 512 iPhone 11 Pro Max, and this is in rose gold, so let's dig in. Hear that? Oh my gosh, it has been a long time since I unboxed a phone, about 3 years ago. Ooh. Oh my gosh! Look at the camera, guys! This is something different. Oh yeah, it has the 3 camera and I think this is the lights. So that is how it looks with a rose gold. Yeah? We will set this up in another time, but this is how it looks. Yep. Let's see what else is in here. It comes with it's hello, the sticker, and of course the guide, the headphone. Of course, the headphone always comes in a wired phone. The AirPods, it is always wired, so that's how it looks. And oh, they have a new one. Now I would know which one's mine. We always lose the what do you call this? The chargers, but this looks different, guys. The charger looks different from what we always have. This is like a USB-C going to a USB for the iPhone. So yep, that's something different. So this is how it looks with the gold one. Yeah. Alright, are we ready to turn it on? Are you ready to turn it on? Now we'll turn it on later. Again, this has been Mommy Ann and the Wilson Sunday Go saying bye and thank you to those who are watching. And remember, choose happy. Bye guys. Bye.